you can see, nothing was in front of me, and boom, and they are keep jumping. No obstacles in front of the car, very annoying. I want to use 2000 grit sandpaper and simply try to sand it down because the bumper was used one, and I don't know whether the parking sensor were painted. Maybe this is my problem.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
It still appears, and I reckon it might even be the plate number because it sits very low, and I will check it. I will try to lift it and see what then will happen. It might catch it.
Headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah.
No sounds anymore. Everything is working as it should be. It looks like it was two reasons. The one that the sensors were painted and the layer of the paints were too thick, and the second one, apparently I placed my plate numbers a little bit too low. So now everything is working fine, and it was not due to any soft glitches. Happy that I finally solved it. I'm hoping my searches and fix helped for you, and have a good one.